My name is Michelle Glancey, and I'm a bartender here at 7 Grand Denver. The name of my cocktail is The King's to Blame from Shakespeare's Hamlet. I chose Buffalo Trace because it's a really great mixing cocktail. It stands out on its own, but it also works really well with other flavors, and it doesn't overpower the other things you're putting in the drink. One of the reasons I decided to build this cocktail is because I really love the flavors of Amaro with whiskey. I made the pistachio orgeat myself, and I infused the figs into the chinar at home. The shavings aren't only for look, they're for smell, so when you shave the pistachio, you get that pistachio scent right away, which ties in with the orgeat. I fortified that with the Buffalo Trace, which really brings out the flavor in the cocktail and kind of rounds it all out together. My name is Michelle Glancey. Thank you for watching Cocktail Creators.